Sadhguru, I'm doing my practice once a month, once a day, that if you close your eyes, only that appears. All you have to do, your daily practice, well, can we make the presence be available wherever you are? Of course, otherwise what's the point? Then it'll be just talking spirituality. Talking spirituality can be inspiration at its best and entertainment at its worst. That's all it can be. Talking about it, talking about it, talking about it. Inspiration is needed in the beginning, but if you need inspiration throughout your life, you're a lost case. Inspiration it's like ignition. Got the engine started. Once you have the engine started, if you keep turning the ignition, it makes ugly noises. Same will happen to people. Once they're sufficiently inspired, there is no need to go on inspiring them, they will become fanatics. If you go on inspiring people, they will become madcaps who will do most illogical and terrible things in the world. Too much inspiration. Inspiration is like ignition. To get somebody started, a little bit push. After that, it's over. After that, they must have processes and methods with which they can access. More than anything, somehow, whichever way, involvement. So we are talking about a consecrated form like Dhyana Linga, or myself or yourself. When we initiated you, I have spoken about this, but largely we are avoiding talking about it. We are still calling Shambhavi as initiation. It's not really an initiation because nothing is given, it's a kind of a consecration. All you have to do, your daily practice, it is not like Shakti Chalana Kriya or Shunya meditation where there is a specific process. Here, all you're doing is, it's like sweeping the temple. People every day are sweeping Dhyana Linga temple. They're not recharging Dhyana Linga or doing something. There are no rituals, there are no processes, just sweeping the temple, keeping it clean. This is all you're doing with Shambhavi. You are not doing anything to boost yourself, just keeping it clean because it's consecrated. If you don't keep it clean, suppose if you do not keep your window panes clean, suddenly even the sun doesn't seem to be bright enough. Even the sun is not bright enough because your window panes are not clean. Or you got a cataract, suddenly even the sun is not bright enough. This can easily happen. So all you have to do is keep it clean. Sadhguru, I'm doing my practice once a month, once a day. I'm just being mean, just like that, it's a holiday. If you're doing your practice every day, to some extent it's clean. But maybe the rest of the day you're completely oblivious of it. So one simple thing you can do is use something, anything. Maybe a picture, maybe a mantra, maybe just a sound, maybe just a reminder on your phone, just anything that mentally, emotionally, you just get connected to that aspect as many times as possible in a day. That if you close your eyes, only that appears. Right now still all those cinema stars and others are appearing, so you're not feeling it. It's not that it's not there. You're not… See, when you do the practice, you feel it. During the day, you're not feeling it because you let other things dance. Item numbers are happening. So, you do anything, use anything you want, maybe a reminder on the phone, maybe a picture that you will look at it, or a phone screen, you put something as a screensaver or a chant, You yourself chant or you listen to a chant, do something. All we are trying to do is mentally, emotionally, you're focused in one direction. If you do this much, the presence will be strong. Even now it's there, but like with cataract, how can you see? You're just trying to remove the cataract, that's all. It's very much possible to experience any dimension of life which is not limited by physical nature. You have no problem feeling it and experiencing it and knowing it. Distance is not an issue, there is no distance for non-physical dimension. Distance is a manifestation of physicality. If there's an inch, there is a mile, if there's a mile, there is 10,000 miles. That's how it is. From an inch to a light year, there is distance only because of physical objects. If there is no physicality, distance means nothing. So this is not a physical dimension. So, feeling it, knowing it, experiencing it will not be a challenge if there is a certain amount of focus towards that. You create your own device, how to remind yourself every few minutes or once an hour or whatever you like.